Hi guys, it's Miss Centering here. I'm going over today some math that's in our packet for day 2. Okay, we're on day 2 it says, and it says addition practice right here. I'm just going to go over really quick how we do this, just review. We went over this, but just in case you forgot. Okay, so for number 1, we always start we have our hundreds, tens, and ones place. We always start in our ones if you're stacking. We're going to start with 1, so we're going to do 3 plus 7, okay? That's 10, but we can't put a 10 down here, so we're going to put our 0, and we're going to carry our 1 or our 10 up there, okay? Now we're going to go to our tens place, and we're going to add all those tens together, okay? I see 6 plus 4, that's 10. I know that, friends of 10. And then 10 and 1 more is 11, but I can't put an 11 down here, so I'm going to put the 1, and then I'm going to carry it over. Now I'm going to add my hundreds. That's the only thing left. So I have 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Now that I have no more place values, I could just write 10, okay? Let's try another one together. When I tell you to pause this video, I want you to pause and try it yourself, okay? We always start in our ones place, okay? 9 plus 5, okay? Try it yourself. I want you to pause here, do the problem, and then unpause and see if you got it right. Go ahead. Did you get it right? Good job. If you didn't, no problem. I'll help you out later. And now the second thing that we're going to review today, after you finish this whole sheet, you can do it, is we're all on day 2, the next page in our packet, okay? And this is subtraction, okay? So we're going to solve using place value strategies. We're going to use the arrow way or mental math. Mental math, we do it in our head. And then we're going to record our answers. If you need more scrap paper, you can use it. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if for some reason you don't feel like stacking this, you have a lot of other strategies you can use. Just use a piece of scrap paper to help you. You can use a place value chart. You can use number bonds. You can use arrow-way. You can use totals below, whichever strategy you'd like. Go back to this. So next, if we're going to use arrow-way, okay? So for number 1, let's say I'm doing 760, take away 500, okay? I can do this 2 ways, okay? So I can either break up 500. I always start my bigger number. I can break up 500 into hundreds, so I know that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, so I can either take away that way by hundreds, or I can just do it all at once. So I'm going to take away 500, and that I should be able to do in my head because I'm just taking away the hundreds place. Okay, so 7 take away 5, I know that's 2, and then everything else stays the same. Okay, or if you like to break it up like this, you can do 760, take away 100. Okay, that's 1 less, that's 660. Then I'm going to do 660, take away another 100. Okay, that's 1 less, that's 560. Next, take away another 100, it's 460. Take away another 100, that's 360. Take away 1 more 100, that's 260. Okay, so all together, take away 100, that's 260. And then that's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 taking away, okay? So one more way you could do this, if you didn't like that way, is counting on. So you start at your lower number. So my lower number here is 500. And then I can add on to see what I have on tops of my arrows until I get to the whole, okay? So I'm going to try to get to 760. That is my goal. All right, I'll start by adding hundreds just because I think that's the easiest. 500 plus 1, that's 600. 600. I'm going to keep going because I'm trying to get to 760. Now I'm at 700. Oh, how much more do I need to get to 760? Now all I need are 60 or 6/10, so that's plus 60. And now to find my answer, I'm going to add the tops of my arrows. Okay, and that's 100, plus 100 plus 60. Okay, that's 260. Okay, so same thing, just different ways. So on top we have subtraction, arrow away. And on the bottom, we have the counting on arrow away. So they're both arrow away, just a matter of which one you like to do better, okay? So now I want you to try the rest on your own. If you're stuck, let me know. For these, when you're missing the part, because we know the whole is always the biggest when we subtract, okay? Then we have part. For these, counting on might be better because you have your lower number already, and then you want to try to get to your bigger number. So you might want to use counting on for these when you're missing a part. Okay, so I'm noticing this one is missing a part. I would try counting on. Okay, now for this one, you're missing a whole. So you're going to have to think about, I'll let you think about that. What are you going to have to do? Add or take away. Okay.